Hey you, welcome to the next tutorial on our PHP. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys something called a conditional statement. Conditional statement. Now in this conditional in this now in this conditional statement we'll be looking at specifically if else statement. If else statement. There are other kinds of statements we can be looking at or we will be looking at, but now we'll be looking at if else statement. So I want to teach you what if else statement means using maybe like a scoreboard or something. So we'll create a little web app in this tutorial so that I'll show you, demonstrate what if else statement can really do. So without much waste of time, I've created my PHP script as usual. Then here I have my form. My form action goes to statement or statement.php as specified right here above my file name. So the next thing is method, and we used post and really not get. Then I just made a div, just like the tag container. So I have a group A, and I have the input type text, and the name I gave it is A, and then I have a little break to just give it much space between them, between the first input box and the second input box. So I have group B, I have the input type and its text, the name is B, and then finally I have the button and the value is submit. So let me refresh this on the browser, then you see exactly what it is. So this is exactly what you have. Alright, good. I can just do maybe style. Yeah, it's been a while. Style, background, ground. Then I have to clean up the screen, so I'm just gonna break this here. Background, color, giving it maybe green. Yeah, just choose to give it green. Save, refresh that again. Okay, I still got it. Just to be sure, right? So the first thing I'm going to do in this tutorial, so you can just forget this, we don't really need this, it's of no value though. Just trying to check something. You never know, right? So the first thing I'm showing you in this tutorial is right. So the first thing is we need to access the first input box. So I'm going to make a variable and I'm going to call it A. I'm going to give it a value of dollars $sign post. This is how to access it, not really give it a value. I'm not giving it a value, I'm accessing it. So but I'm assigning you know this input box to this value or variable A. So I'm going to call it by name, which is capital letter A. If you don't really understand what I'm doing, you can just check the previous tutorial on this. So I'm going to go ahead to copy all this and then paste it. I'm going to change this to B, because as you can see we have the B here, that's this one. So changing it to B to access it easily. So I can go ahead to echo this on the screen, but I don't want to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do now, I want you to see my input box doesn't do anything exactly. I can give 20 here and I can give 5 here and click on submit. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. I can give this 4 and I can give this 23 and click submit. Nothing happens. So I want you to be able to say, once I click, maybe this is 20 and then this is something like 5, and I click submit, it should be able to tell me that 20 is greater, right? But if this was greater, let's say this is 50, it should be able to tell me that 50 is greater than maybe 20 or something. So how to do this in PHP using if else statement? So I'm going to go if, like I said, if else statement or if statement is a conditional statement. Now it helps to test whether something is actually true or false, and then the value to return when that particular thing is true or false. So if the next thing that is followed is a parenthesis, this is where you specify your code, the code, the condition to be executed. For instance, I'm saying $a, which is talking about my first input box. So if my first input box, or if a, which is the variable I say with, is greater than maybe b, so this should be b, not a. B is greater than b. I want you to do something. So the next thing you have is a curly bracket or curly braces. So I want to echo something out on the screen. So, but what I want to echo is a. Since a is greater, so I'm going to echo a on the screen. A on the screen, right? So I need to make it flexible enough, because the user can enter multiple values, different kinds of values. So this is why I'm accessing it in this way. Alright, so I can go ahead and use, maybe clean all this and just use 50 instead of this, but I want it to be, this format. So echo a, right? But I want to say echo a is greater. A is greater. So I'm going to concatenate this. So I'm just going to separate them by just concatenating it. Then, because this is a string, it doesn't really understand what this write-up is all about. So it's a string. I'm going to treat it as one semicolon. So I'm going to refresh this, and then you see the output. Okay, so this is 20 for instance. This is 5 for me. Then when I click submit, it says 20 is greater. But if this was 4 and this was 23 and I click submit, nothing gets printed out on the screen. That's awkward. So why that is because I'm just checking a one-way condition. So I'm saying if A is greater than B, this is what I want you to echo on the screen. But what if A was never greater than B? Do you see that now? So because of that, I'm going to say else. Do the opposite. That's what else is. Else doesn't come with parentheses or curly braces. Else, I want you to echo on the screen that B. Definitely, if A is not greater than B, it means B is greater than A, right? So else echo B. Just going to go ahead and copy all this. So B, right? We concatenate it this way. So go ahead and refresh. Then it says 23 is greater. So whenever I use 20 here and I use 5 here and submit, it tells me 20 is greater. When I use 4 here and I use maybe 23 here, it tells me 23 is greater. So I'm going to work that space. Just this. Alright. So when I refresh, it takes effect, 23 is greater. But what if this is 20 and this is also 20? What happens? It just says 20 is greater because I use the condition that says else, and then it doesn't really understand. So I want to checkmate whenever group A has the same score with group B. What do I want to do? So I want to say something like, oh, it's a draw. So instead of having else here, I'm going to go ahead, maybe after this first one, I'm going to have something called else if, right? So if A is greater than B, echo this. Else if this is greater than this, for instance, if